Am I audible? Interesting. Okay.
I can hear you.
Inko participant ravali. I am waiting for one more participant. Hello. Okay, welcome. Hello. Okay. Okay. So, inko participant ravali. Just. Huh? Inko participant ravali. 1 minute. Okay. So, inko participant రాగానే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. Okay. So, my topic today is acupressure for beginners. So, any idea about acupressure?
No, I don't have.
You can okay. So I'll start the presentation.
In signal leda.
1 minute. I'm going to the presentation. Just a minute. Okay. So here, the first slide, it shows acupressure for beginners. So acupressure is an alternative medicine technique. It is based on the concept of life energy through meridian in the body.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah, please. Yes, please.
What is meridians? What do you understand? Means what I don't know what actually meridian is.
Actually, I'll answer the questions at the end of the meeting. So you can listen to the presentation.
Okay.
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 Actually, you can mute yourself because some music is coming at the
Okay.
back end.
Okay.
Okay. So treatment of organs. Acupressure works under the assumption that the power to heal is contained within the body. This power is known as vital force, which flows through the different meridians in the body, strengthening the different organs. Whenever the flow of this vital force is obstructed by some reason, the functioning of the organ fails, and so some like problems, health issues, we face some health issues. So I have taken help of this YouTube channel run by Ms. Purvi Maru. She is a senior acupressure therapist. So just I want to show you her screenshot. She is available on YouTube. You can also join her YouTube channel for more updates on acupressure. Okay, this is also a image that she has provided. So here it shows acupressure points for thigh pain. So you can see the middle finger. When you press the point mentioned in the image for 3 to 4 minutes, you can get relief for thigh pain. So acupressure actually works like you have to press the point.
What?
Okay, press the point. These points you will get once you get experience. You can know the different points on the hands. Okay. So this image shows acupressure points for body pain. Here some points are mentioned, LI11. So this press this point daily for 4 to 5 minutes for better results. Okay. So ST36, LI11, these are the acupressure points on the hands. So if you have any body pain, you can press these points to get relief.
Both are for. No. Both are for body pain. Both
Pardon?
are for body pain.
I will questions I'll ask at the. I will answer at the end.
ST36.
Okay, next image is acupressure points for any joint pain. So any joint pain, you can press this UB11 and GV14. These are the 2 points mentioned. You have to press this point for 2 to 3 minutes. And acupressure points for pancreas. So diabetes mellitus is a common disease nowadays. So pancreas is the malfunctioning of pancreas is the main cause for diabetes mellitus. So this point is mentioned on the hand, pancreas. You can press this point for 3 to 4 minutes, so that insulin is again reproduced and you don't face any diabetic problems. Okay. Now I just want to tell you about acupressure instruments. So many instruments are there, but these are the basic instruments. First, I have taken acupressure probe, then a pyramid plate, twister, acupressure massage ball, acupressure massage ring. So these are the instruments that I want to discuss with you. So acupressure probe. This is made out of metal or wood also. So using this point, when a senior acupressure therapist knows the exact point on the hand, they can use this probe to, they can stimulate the point. So when you face pain on the hand, that point is the exact point for treatment. Okay, they use this probe. So this is also an important instrument for the therapist. Next, I want to tell you about acupressure pyramid plate. Okay, this is just when you buy this, you have to place on the floor, and you have to alternately lift your legs on this for 10 minutes. Actually, this is also good for sleep. Suppose you face insomnia, that is sleep problems. Before sleep, you can do this, and you can have a good sleep. Also, this is for good blood circulation throughout the body. So this is also called pyramid plate. Okay, next, this one is acupressure twister. So this is mainly for body, weight loss. So if you are feeling that you are overweight, you can use this twister. You can stand on that, and you can twist the legs. This also you can do it for 10 to 15 minutes. And acupressure massage ball, this is a common instrument that you see in many have this. So using this is also made from wood or plastic. You can place between your both hands, and you can press it. So all the meridians on the palm of your hand, they get massaged, and blood flows. Good circulation of blood is takes place, and this is a good instrument. You can activate the meridian points. This is a very simple instrument. And this is a massage ring. So this you have to insert in the fingers. Any one is enough. You can do it for all the fingers with one ring. This is also good for blood circulation. So this is a very simple instrument, acupressure instrument. Okay, now just like acupressure, you have a some internet problem, some interruption. Okay, so the organs of the body are, according to acupressure, all the parts of the body are can be seen on the hands. So this image shows where the organs are available on the hand. The same, this image also mentions about the organs of the body on the hand. Okay. Okay. So finally, I want to tell you about star magnet and tape. As I told, different meridian points are present on the hand. So using this tape and magnet, you can put pressure on the meridian points on the hand. So this is also part of the instruments. Okay, so now you can ask me about any questions that. Any questions on that? Any questions, please?
No. Can we try self-service, or we have to go to doctor? Acupressure doctor.
No, I didn't get you.
With these instruments.
Yeah, this.
Can we try? Can we try on our own, or we'll have to go to doctor only?
No. You can. You can buy it. Also, in the shop, you have books. So you're reading the books. You can.
That's what I'm asking.
Practice yourself. Also, you can make use of YouTube video.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Is it available with your office?
I will. I'm planning to sell it, so it may take some time.
Okay.
I'll be informing you about.
Okay. You let me know the details. Okay.
Okay.
But it is quite interesting.
Yeah. And also nowadays the hospital expenses are going up. So using the simple techniques, we can manage our health. That is the main purpose of it.
If you guide us, I think we can try on our own for small
Yeah.
leg pain, body
Yes.
ache,
Yeah.
and all that.
And you can avoid medicines. So using this
I know.
technique, we can means also medicines they cause side effects.
You know.
So using these instruments, we can
Okay, please let me know the
yeah, okay.
details. Okay. Booklets, materials.
Okay.
So I am from China.
Okay.
You can courier it, right?
So I'm also planning for. Already have a website. So I'll be mentioning about this product
Okay.
and their users using the website.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
yeah. Sindhu, you have any questions? You can unmute yourself, Sindhu.
Nothing. I just wanted to know what are meridians. Is it the nervous system in our body?
No, it's actually you have some points on the hands. Okay, where the nerve endings meet on the hands. These are called as meridians. Anyhow, I'll be providing these
Okay.
details in website. I will share the website to you so you can know more about it.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. So how was the presentation? Was it interesting?
Nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
So
Very informative. Informative.
I just I mean it's also new to me. So I'll be improving more on this, getting more knowledge and sharing with you again. I mean in future also we can do more presentation, Zoom presentation regarding this. Okay, so I want to end this Zoom meeting. Thank you for participating.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.